Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Kid for Life. My name is Akhil Atyam. So, in this video, we're going to be learning how to share your projects. We can start by hovering our mouse over whatever your username is. Mine's Kid for Life. So, click on account settings right here. You have your account, your password which you can change, and your email. So, right here it says whatever your email is. So, it's saying it's unconfirmed. We want to confirm our email. So let's go to our email. As you can see, we don't have any email that is confirming Scratch account. Let's go back to Scratch and click resend. If we go back to our Gmail, let's reload. We might have to wait a minute or two. Let's reload again. Yes, right here you can see a new email saying confirm Scratch account. Click on it and scroll down. As you can see right here, it says greetings from the Scratch team at MIT. A few minutes ago, you requested to link this email address to a Scratch account Kid for Life. Please confirm your email by clicking the button below. Confirm my email address. So this is an alternate link. So let's click on this. And you can see right here, success! You have confirmed your email address Kid for Life. So now we can share some projects. So now let's share a project. Let's go to our projects and click on RC Central. Right here you can see this project is not shared, so only you can see it. Click share to let everyone see it. So you want to click share right here. Congratulations on sharing your project. Other people can now try it out, give comments and remix it. What remix means they can make a duplicate of it, but you get all the credit. You can even love and favorite your project. The first view is always you. You can choose to turn the commenting off. No one can comment, not even you. Or you can choose to keep the commenting on. Here's a way, you can just type whatever you want. I'm just going to type what? So let's type RC oops Central is a game where you can drive an oops remote controlled, which is basically what RC is, car. Now apparently some autocorrection issues and everything's being highlighted red. And then we can put a little car emoji. Let's put car. Let's see if there's an RC car. Well, sadly, there is no RC car. We have to stick with the car. Car. We'll see what all cars we have. This Hot Wheels. Okay, so this one looks like the best car. Apparently, that car's tiny. So let's post it. Right here, you can see whatever you type. Apparently, the emoji didn't make it. So I think emojis are not supported by Scratch. So we can run. a compacted version of RC Central using our own blocks. You can copy this link. You can see right here there's an embedded, which is useful if you're coding or if you're making a website or your normal link. So I will post this link in the description of this video so all of you can play this game. So people can see inside. Right here you can see define drive, all our blocks. Let's quickly tidy up our code. Clean up blocks. Just right click and click blocks. Here we are. This is all our code. I'm still very fascinated at how compact our code is. Super compact. So as you know, let's just give a brief overview of our code. We have our sound effects running continuously. Then we have one flag clicked. We go to the center of the screen and point in direction 90. Set the kilometers per hour to 0 and drive. Define drive. If you're on the edge, you will bounce and move kilometers per hour steps. And show the available kilometers per hour in case it got hit. If the up arrow is pressed, change kilometers per hour by 0.2, displaying the game around. Down arrow, negative 0.2. Left arrow, turn left 10 degrees or counterclockwise. Right arrow, turn clockwise 10 degrees. Ooh. If the kilometers per hour is greater than 0, reduce the kilometers per hour by 0.1. What this does is when the car is going above 0 kilometers per hour, it will keep slowing down. So if it's below 0, then speed up a little. The reason why speeding up is because you can't slow down when you're going backwards. You can, but slowing down when you're going backwards is going forward. Because when you're going backward, you hit the gas pedal, not the brake. Or I meant the reverse. The brake pedal is not here. Then we have our sound effects. Define sound effects. Forever play RC sound. When I start as a clone, repeat 5 times, change ghost effect by 20 and delete this clone, which is the trail effect. Woo! So let's play our game in full screen. You could make it mini screen, but once you play a game on mini screen, let's go full screen. Woo! We will be making many more projects, but this is just one of our many projects. So this is it for this video. In the next video, we'll be learning how to make a start button from your projects. Goodbye!